Philippine cybersecurity expert Art Samaniego is implicated in recent hacking incidents involving private companies and government websites. The NBI Cybercrime Division surrounded these two men in a hotel in Manila in a cyber pursuit operation. A popular paramedic complained that their website was hacked, which the NBI traced to one of the suspects. One of the suspects, Elias Comcom, admitted that he is the data security officer of media outlet Bulletin. He also allegedly hacked the websites of the Philippine Army. He says he started in the Manila Bulletin in 2019 with the help of their senior technology officer Art Samaniego.
Personal information, minsan email, encrypted po yung password, full name, date of birth. Siyempre, yung medyo immature pa po ako, medyo naglilik po ako ng mga database.
Naglilik?
Apo.
For what purpose?
For fun lang po nung una. Tapos nung nalaman ko po yung consequences, medyo parang nagsisi po ako na hindi ko pala dapat ginawa.
But eventually, he says Samaniego started asking him to hack at least 10 websites.
Pakita ko po sa kanya yung paano ko hinak.
Binabayaran ka niya?
Hindi po, boss. Paano po, boss ko po siya?
Hindi ka ba nagtaka na bakit ka inuutusan ni Art Samaniego ng gano'n?
Hindi naman po.
Bakit?
Boss ko po siya eh.
Says that he can use it as content for his column and social media platforms. Samaniego says he was also previously accused of hacking, but his intention was to strengthen the cybersecurity of government and private websites.
I have advised the chief of cybercrime to hire more IT experts, mga young generation, yung mga bata, no? Sabi ko nga, i-explore namin, kami maghahanap ng hackers. Hindi na katulad ng dati na we will wait for complainants. Now, hahanapin namin sila.